Are you in the middle of a meeting and all eyes are on you, and suddenly your mind goes blank on the simplest word? Inside you're panicking, you're terrified. Everyone will see that you're slipping. Does this sound familiar? If you've ever felt like your brain betrays you like this and you can't recall a word, I'm going to share with you that you are not alone. And the surprising root cause might not even be stress, age, or even lack of sleep. It could really be sugar. Forgetfulness, type 3 diabetes. People are walking around with sugar imbalances that they don't even know, and insulin resistance. Hi, I'm Dr. Holly Donahue, the root cause doctor. For over 2 decades, I have been helping people uncover the hidden reasons between hormonal imbalance, fatigue, brain fog, sugar cravings, and even sleepless nights. And today I'm going to show you how to stabilize your blood sugar, because it could be quietly sabotaging your focus, your word recall, and your memory. And there are 4 ways that I work with my patients that you can fix it starting today. The thing is when your blood sugar spikes and crashes consistently, your brain is the first to suffer. You're going to notice forgetting simple words or somebody's name, like you go to grab that name out of your head, but it's not there. Or you sit down to focus because you've got a project you got to get done and you struggle, you can't focus. Or another symptom could be you're feeling anxious or irritable and it just comes out of nowhere. Or crashing mid-afternoon around 2 to 3 p.m. when you need your energy to get you through the day and you need to be your sharpest because your day still continues into the evening. So there's probably a good 7 hours left that you still gotta perform. This, you guys, just isn't convenient. It's really your body's way of screaming for balance. Here are 4 science-backed solutions that you can actually start doing today, right now, to help fix your blood sugar imbalances and really protect that beautiful brain of yours. Because I am seeing dementia and Alzheimer's diagnosed everywhere, and I don't want that to be you. Do you know that they're saying that 40% of women, so that's 1 in 4, if you're sitting at a table of women, right? 1 out of 4 of those women could lead themselves into dementia and or Alzheimer's. Scary, right? And I don't want that to be you, and that's why I'm here. You want to start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Skip the sugary cereals, the muffins, the danishes, the bagels. Instead, how about if you aim for 20 to 30 grams of a healthy quality protein, animal protein or vegetable protein, first thing in the morning? Why? Because in the morning you stabilize your blood sugar and you prevent that mid-morning crash that keeps your brain sharp. And what you do today affects what happens tomorrow. You also want to pair your carbs with healthy fiber and healthy fats. They're not your enemy. Carbs and fat are not your enemy. It's just how you eat them and how you pair them. So maybe if you want fruit, add some nuts in there. Or if you want some rice with veggies, great. Put in some olive oil or put some nuts on it like pumpkin seeds, or have some avocado. This slows down how quickly your sugar actually hits your bloodstream, and this helps you maintain your energy instead of creating that brain fog that you could be challenging you. Number 3, you want to move after your meals. Just a 10-minute walk after eating can really cut your blood sugar spikes dramatically. Think of this as free medicine for your brain. And another bonus is it helps you with your digestion and your mood regulation. And if you have been struggling with cravings and low energy, restless sleep, that feeling of being stuck in the sugar loop or hormone imbalances, I want to personally invite you to the 5-day sugar detox challenge. In just 5 days, I'm going to teach you how to break free from hidden sugars balance your blood sugar, really calm those cravings, and finally feel at home in your body again, living in a body you love. If you promised that you said you'd do better tomorrow, but the cravings always win, this is your challenge to step into. Click the link below and claim your free spot. You will be so glad you did. I am going to support you on giving you ideas on how to be balanced in your body. I can't wait to actually see you in the challenge. You also, this is so important, prioritize your sleep and stress management. When you're sleep deprived or even stressed, your blood sugar is harder to control. You want to focus on consistent sleep, that's your natural circadian rhythm, and natural stress relief, right? So go to bed at the same time every day, even on weekends, and get up at the same time. And for stress, think about daily meditation, breath work, and or simply unplugging before bed. You guys, don't read messages or the news or something that's going to disrupt you. This is when your body restores its natural balance. And if you can't get to sleep because you're so stressed out, it's not going to help you. So if brain fog is an area of a symptom that is challenging for you, as well as memory lapses or energy crashes, please don't ignore it. Balancing those cravings isn't just about preventing diabetes. It's also about protecting your focus, your productivity, keeping your immune system strong, and even your long-term brain health, which is what we're talking about here. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more science-backed natural strategies that are gonna help you heal from the root. And if you are ready for a step-by-step plan to finally break through from those cravings, balance your sugar, and reset your energy, please do yourself an honor and join my free 5-day sugar detox challenge through the link below. It is the perfect next step for you to protect your brain, restore your focus, and feel amazing again. The reality is that your body is truly designed to heal. You get to give it the right support so that your mind will be clear, your energy and your hormones will be stable, and you will show up as your best self every single day. I'm Dr. Donahue, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. I am sending you so much love, and here's to amazing focus, concentration, and the best brain health that's going to drive your leadership and your visions forward. Have an amazing rest of your day.